Hello, my name is John Tyrrell, and my pra Ariya code is 680783. Classroom number 513/66/1032/650904. First of all, I would like to bow my head in respect to all Buddhas and Arahantship. I was introduced to this group by my wife, and I began my Dharma practice 4 July 25. I attained Sakadāgāmī-magga 5 August 25. My teacher instructed me to count my breaths and visualize either the Buddha or Arahantship. I also adhered to the 5 precepts. At first, it wasn't easy to maintain the image, but this became easier after a short time. I consider meditation to be the single most important pursuit of humanity. For aeons, mystics from every culture this world has seen have unequivocally insisted that without incorporating meditation into our lives as a central theme, our lives are wasted. I believe meditation aids us in 2 basic ways. It buffers the effects of our karmas whilst living in the physical world, and ultimately allows us to return to our source. We all seek happiness. We have toiled over many lifetimes and exhausted countless strategies in its pursuit. Despite our best efforts, we have found no lasting happiness. Our good actions have led to rewards in subsequent lives, and our bad actions to the opposite. We still find ourselves unable to escape from this world of uncertainty. Fleeting joy is followed by sorrow, and pleasure by pain. The mystics have taught us that to seek happiness in the external world is fruitless. Our attention needs to be withdrawn from the world and concentrated within ourselves. By doing so, we ultimately raise our consciousness and exist in oneness rather than in the duality of our current state. This is achieved through meditation. My personal journey has barely begun. By gradual but persistent meditation practice, my life is increasingly happier. It still vacillates somewhat, and I have to remind myself that 2 steps forward and 1 backward is progress. Reflecting back over time, I have no doubt of the benefits of meditation. My attachment to the illusionary aspects of life has steadily decreased, to be replaced by feelings of contentment and calmness. I would like to thank Dr. Raj for creating this meditation group, and thank the administrative team and my teacher, Fru Chatchai Rasriso. I strongly recommend meditation to everyone.